Well, how many of you have made a commitment to yourselves to eat healthier this year? All right, I did that last year. It's been just about a year since I switched over to a clean eating diet. It actually focuses a lot on anti-inflammatory, and I cannot tell you how much of a difference it has made in how I feel, energy level, all kinds of things. So today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chicken tenderloins, because guess what? It's one of the easiest things to do, and it's really good and healthy and clean. So stay tuned to see just how easy it is. Welcome to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather, and I am here to show you the easiest ways to get the best results in your kitchen. And welcome to my 5 or fewer series. This is where I have recipes that either have 5 or fewer ingredients or 5 or fewer steps. This one happens to be both. So let's jump right to it. If you are interested in quick and easy healthy cooking, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because you will be alerted every time a new video comes out. So for today's recipe, if you blink, you might miss it. We are doing chicken tenderloins in the air fryer. Super simple, basic ingredients, and you can eat them for a snack or chop them up for a salad or in a soup, any or all of the above. We are going to start with a pound of chicken tenderloin. The full recipe link is below. So if you want to know specifics, go ahead and click that link and you will go right to the recipe. And all we're going to do is drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Then the only ingredients are the spices. So we've got the chicken and the oil, and I have some paprika, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and salt. And that's it. Sprinkle the chicken tenders with the seasonings, and then you're just going to give them a good stir. Make sure that they are evenly coated with all of the spices. Next, put them into your air fryer basket. Couple notes on that. Some air fryers, the recommendation is to preheat your air fryer. Mine does not have that recommendation, but if yours does, go ahead and preheat it for about 5 minutes. 390 degrees is what we're going for. And also spray your air fryer basket with a little bit of nonstick spray, or wipe it down with a very thin layer of oil. Now, just put your chicken tenders directly on the basket. You want to do a single layer and do not crowd them. My air fryer basket is a pretty large capacity, so it will hold 1 pound of chicken tenders. If yours is small, you might have to do it in 2 batches, but honestly, that's pretty easy because it only takes 8 minutes. So set your timer for 8 minutes, flip them halfway over, and then you'll be done. All right, that's it, 8 minutes, I flipped them over. If you are interested in more clean eating and particularly anti-inflammatory, I have a free PDF handout. It's the top 10 anti-inflammatory foods you should eat and the top 10 you shouldn't. So go ahead and click that link. It comes free to your inbox. Now, let's look at these chicken tenders. Oh, perfect. So perfect. Seriously, look at that. Now, these are perfectly done. Sometimes if the tenders are very thick, you might have to do it for 9 minutes. So just make sure you cut through it when you are done cooking to make sure it's cooked all the way through. So these chicken tenderloins are tender, juicy. I gotta take a bite. Oh, so much flavor. It is just amazing. That paprika. I also like to use smoked paprika. That's really good too. But you guys, 8 minutes, you're done. It's so easy and it's really good for you. And it's such a quick and easy way to continue on your journey of healthy eating. I certainly know what it's like. I am here for you. Please comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else that you would like to see. Enjoy these chicken tenders. Thank you for watching the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. Happy cooking and happy eating.